Hello friend, how are you? My name is Musgebu. Today I'm going to show you how to extract watershed from DEM or digital elevation model. If you are new for my channel, please subscribe and also share for your friends to get latest notification. Let we start. First, we have to have ArcMap installed on our computer or laptop. In addition, we have to have DEM or digital elevation downloaded. So let I open my digital elevation or DEM. Okay, I have downloaded and I have from my computer. Okay, this is my digital uh, DEM or digital elevation model. So my objective is to delineate watershed. First, I have to fill this digital elevation model. First, we have to open Arc Toolbox by clicking here, Arc Toolbox, then Spatial Analyze Tool, then Hydrology, and Fill. Okay. Uh, Input surface raster, our DEM or digital elevation model, then output fill or fill. Okay, save. Wait. Okay, now I don't need this. Let I remove or okay, no matter. Then in addition, go to Arc Toolbox and flow direction. Okay, input flow direction. Our fill, we have to input it. Fill by dragging here into here. Then we have to say flow direction. Okay, direction. No matter output because it is temporal. Okay, let I edit Steve. Okay, okay, okay. Let we go to flow direction, input, fill, okay, output flow direction, default as it is, and say okay. Very good. Now our flow direction is processed. Then also go to ArcTool and calculate flow accumulation. Input flow direction. Our input should be flow direction. Okay. Then output accumulation raster as default, no matter. Okay. Now I have to uh, generate watershed. Okay, this is my watershed. So I have to give 4 point for it. I have to create shapefile by point. Okay. Let Arc catalog on desktop, right click new shapefile. Okay, then for point, this is point, it is type is point, unknown coordinate system, so edit, import. Okay, icon from my DEM, okay, original, then say okay. Now it is changed. Okay, okay, then let's zoom to my PowerPoint. Okay, let I use here. Okay, around here. Then my PowerPoint is here, so I started editing. Then click here and click PowerPoint and the construction tool, click. Then give your PowerPoint. Okay. Now stop editing. Yes. Okay. Now let's go to Arc Toolbox. Then watershed. Good. Watershed. My input is what? Flow direction. Okay. Raster feature or PowerPoint. My PowerPoint here. Okay. Select it. Then say okay. Okay. Good. Very good. Now it generated my watershed. This is my watershed. Now I have to generate also streams. Okay. Okay. Also go to Arc Toolbox, Map Algebra. Okay. My input should be flow accumulation. Okay. This is my flow accumulation and greater than. For example, let I say greater than 5,000. Okay, say okay. Very good. Now it is generated. Okay, friend. Now I have to change it to vector format. To do that, go to Arc Tool box and conversion tool. Then from raster to polygon. Okay, my watershed. Select input watershed. Okay, and output. Okay, default is no matter. You can save it visible as well you like. Then my watershed is changed to vector. Okay. Then I have to change this stream to also vector line or polyline. To do that, convert raster to polyline. Then input my flow accumulation to this. and also you can save it in your computer. For the tutorial I don't want to save it, then it is converted. Okay, now this is my stream. Okay, let me see this stream, and this is, I don't need this. Okay, remove. Now also I don't need this again. Okay, this is my polygon watershed converted to vector format. So I have to extract this stream from all of this stream, okay, which is only located in my stream or watershed. To do that, go to analyze tool and extract and clip. Okay, then input should be my stream this. Okay, stream 3 means my new converted shape file to polyline, and let this and feature to clip is should be watershed. Okay, this, then say okay. Okay, very good. Now I don't need this. I remove. Okay, now I have both of my stream and watershed, so I have to clip or extract this DEM from this by my watershed. Okay, to do that, go to also Arc toolbox and go to analyze tool. Okay, this, and extract by mask. Okay, then my inputs is my DEM or digital elevation model, and extracted by my watershed. Okay, by this, then say okay. Very good. Now remove this. Good. Now let's change color of my watershed. Hello. Okay. Okay, let color change it to red. Say okay. Very good. Now my stream. Let I say this is stream. Okay, let I change color of my stream. Let I change color of my stream. Okay, no. Okay. This. Good. This is my stream color. Also, let's change color of my DEM of study area. DEM watershed. And the color, okay, let us say this. 4 point, no, I don't need it now. Okay, friend, this is all about how to extract watershed and stream from them. If you like my video, please subscribe and also share to your friends to get latest notification. Okay, thank you.